This is an earthquake warning for the following states, all of the southeastern coastal part of country of Georgia. The following message is transmitted at the Georgia Geological Survey at 10:30 a.m. Earthquake has hit Savannah. Seek shelter now. Due to possibility of aftershocks. The countries of South Carolina, North Carolina, and Tennessee have also been hit. Severe damage has occurred in Clayton, Atlanta, Fort Benning, Columbus.
Earthquake warning for the following states:
Milwaukee, Waukesha, Ozaukee, Washington.
Go under a desk or table now and hold on. Thanks.